This
Okay.
one. That turns off base alarm. So let's see that, you can see that comes around and goes down here.
But that over there doesn't need it?
Well, I think that's gonna need it too.
That should need it.
Over there.
Those two.
Those,
Right.
Those two, but nothing back here, nothing
And,
behind.
but the T with the...
And then the T,
Here, move your hand. I'm taking a video. For
the
Cliff.
T there, that's broken.
It's got a nice little clamp.
And then above that is new. That thing is new, and that thing is new. But if the pipe is bad, but then that's old there. That
All
corner,
right, so that one down there needs to go.
that corner, and those two corners up
And
there.
then it goes up. And
Those two corners.
there's a twisty right there. And it goes... I'm gonna take him around the corner.
And then you can get at that.
So the pipe comes out right here.
Yeah. So right there, behind that light,
So we just have to cut
probably could get at it from
cut
here
the sheetrock or something up here,
and put an access panel there.
or just tape it shut or whatever.
And then how about this corner looks like it's new.
Yep, we got new there.
Oh, you know what? This blew out while I was in Florida last year. This is a new corner.
Yeah. All right.
And
And
flooded down the stairs and everything.
is there now that goes straight over?
But
It's all foamed. Let's see if it makes a turn.
the other company in Long Lake was gonna change out this one up here. Yeah,
Oh yeah, look at that. So there's
there's two corners there.
1, 2, 3 elbows.
And I think when it gets down beyond here, I think we don't have to worry about it.
All right.
Because then now it takes a left turn in there somewhere.
All right. Hi, Cliff.
So you could do, probably should do those two.
Yeah.
Is that dripping?
Yeah.
Where's that come from? Or is that somebody sat there that's wet?
I think they sat there. There's nothing up there.
Huh?
There's nothing up there. All right.